here. Standing in front of you today, I can't help but think about all the moments that led us to this one. The laughter, the challenges, the countless ways you've shown me love. I still remember our little code smile. Back when you were still courting me, you'd give me flowers or food with a note that simply said smile. It was your quiet reminder that no matter what was happening, you wanted to see me happy. Always. At sa 12 years natin, hindi nagbago yun. Thank you for waiting for me. And I promise, from this day forward, you'll never have to wait again. Di ba tapos? Di ba tapos? Wait lang. I will be the best wife I can be. Your true partner in everything. I will stand beside you. You'll always be my greatest blessing. My husband. My best friend. And I'll spend the rest of my life loving you. Magiging masaya ka na mamaya.